Hey, what's happening, Shib Army? So in this video, we're going to do a Shiba Inu price analysis. Before we get there, we're going to jump into the overall market, kind of see where we are right now. So we're relatively flat, actually up a little bit, up over 2%, $2.20 trillion market cap right now. We could see Bitcoin is slightly green, Ethereum just under 5%, trying to get back over that $4,000 mark. It just seems like with Ethereum, right? We're just going up over 4,000 a little bit, then dialing back down to 3,800. Go up a little bit, dial back down to 3,800. And I think it's exactly what's happening. It's market manipulation. It's the big whales. We don't have enough retail money driving prices up or driving prices down. But with Shiba Inu in particular, we're ranked number 13. We're neck and neck with Dogecoin right now in terms of that number 12 spot. Shib right now trading at the 3177 level, just about 2.5% up today as well. So that's good to see. I still think this is a great opportunity to buy, by the way. Down here at the 3177, I'm okay with where my personal position is right now. I'm just holding. If we do dip a little bit lower than this, I could be adding to the bag, but right now I'm okay with where I am. But depending on where you are, depending on if you have money on the sidelines, right, where you got in, where your average cost is, I think this is a good time to add to your position or even to open a position in Shib. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. Now, Shiba Inu price analysis: the Shib Army prepares for an escape from the descending triangle. So, the Shiba Inu price pushes higher against the descending trend line of the descending triangle right now. This bearish triangle has kept the Shib price on a downward trend since the beginning of December. As the Shib price battles overhead resistance from the triangle's descending trend line, expect a price surge if Shiba Inu breaks above it. If it happens, it will bolster the Shib Army to push the price toward the 4.9 level. Okay. And then, of course, the next level from there is the 5.694. We actually got up there, if you guys remember, on the Kraken news. Remember? Kraken came out, said they're going to list Shiba Inu. We actually pumped all the way up to the 5.6 level. So that would be our next line of resistance. Now, the Shiba Inu price could rally 80% after a breakout. So here are the parameters around that, okay? At the time of this writing, Shib is hovering around that 3.1 level. And it favors the bulls. And if it favors the bulls and rises above the downtrend line of the triangle, we could see an explosion of buying volume with sidelined investors jumping on the bullish signal. If this happens, Shib could first rise to retest that 4.9 level, and then again, it could rise to that 5.694 level, would be the next logical move, an 80% rise from where it is currently. Now, on the flip side, if Shib price favors the bears and drops below the triangle's horizontal trend line, which you can see here in this graphic, okay, if it goes below that at the 3.094, it could trigger a massive sell order that would likely push Shib down to the 2.807. I will tell you this: if we go down to the 2.807, I will be buying. A drop further could see Shib get down all the way to the 2.0 level. Again, I would be buying. Now, note that the position of the MACD below the zero line in the negative region accentuates this bearish outlook. In the meantime, investors have to wait to see which direction the meme coin will take as it consolidates within the confines of the triangle. So that's what we're looking at right now. That is your Shiba Inu price analysis. Things are still kind of, the verdict's still out, if you will, right? We have our targets from the upside. We have our targets if we get more bearish. But again, if we get more bearish, I'm okay adding to my position here, so long that Bitcoin is still above 40,000. I believe that's kind of the telltale sign right now that we're still in a bull market. It might be a consolidation period, but as long as Bitcoin can hold 40K, I still think we haven't seen Bitcoin's top in this cycle. Okay. There's other scenarios too, right, that can play out here, but that's kind of where I'm at right now. Things can change. I still think we have a 3-4 month window here where Bitcoin's going to top out. I don't think it's going to get to 100K anymore. I know that was something a lot of people said early on, but I still think we can hit a 70 to 75K Bitcoin before the cycle ends, before we enter into a bear market. That's where I'm at. And of course, that'll bring all the altcoins up with it, right? So that's where I'm at right now. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. A couple things of housekeeping. Patreon link down below in the description. And if you join at the insider level today, you're joining a week before we add a huge perk to the insider package. We are coming together for a weekly podcast. Myself, Austin Hilton, your pop's going to be on there. Del Crypto is going to make some appearances. It's going to be a great time. We're going to do a weekly podcast for only insider members, and that's an insider member over on my Patreon. Austin's, on Pops. And I was telling Dell last night, about this idea. He loves it too. So he's going to make some appearances as well. So that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next.